Okay, we're here with our rock star student, domain and range. You ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, so domain is what x can be, and range is what y, or if you're using function notation, what f of x can be. Okay?
Okay.
And a good question is, why should you care? So it really does help you to understand the function or the equation more completely, and it helps it make sure that you don't make any errors. Okay?
Okay.
So let's just look at how we would refer to domain, first of all. So that's what x can be. So the first question we ask ourselves, is it real numbers or just integers? If it's just integers, then you'll see points like this, where you're only graphing points, or the description in a word problem is only about certain points. If it's continuous, like if it's always like every single value in between all those points too, that's just the real numbers, okay? Instead of just integers. So that's the first question. Then the second question is about, is it positive, negative, or all? So here we have a situation. Is this one real numbers or integers?
Integers.
Integers, okay. And does it include any negative ones on the x values?
No.
So here's 0 for x, good. So it doesn't include any negative. Does it include 0?
No.
No, it doesn't. So this is the positive numbers where x is greater than 0. That would be the domain of that. Okay, let's look at another one here. So now how is this one different as far as what x can be?
It looks like it includes 0.
It includes 0. That's the only difference. It's the integers including 0. So we can't really say it's the positive ones because 0 is not positive, right?
Right.
So we have to use this term right here, non-negative. So we can say it's the non-negative integers, or you could also say the integers where x is greater than or equal to 0.
Okay.
Okay? And now how about this one? Well, can x be positive?
Yes.
Can it be negative?
Yes.
Okay. Can it be just integers or all real numbers?
All real numbers.
Good. So we're going to call this one all real numbers. That's what x can be. Okay?
Okay.
So that's about the domain. Okay, now let's talk about the range. That's what y ends up being in the function or the equation. So let's just look at this graph right here. So let's assume that this is a parabola that just keeps going like you would expect with these curves continuing up. Y can be all of these values, right?
Right.
But tell me when it cannot be.
It can't be down there.
It can't be down here, right?
Right.
So if we look at this value, this is the bottom of the parabola. And what does y equal there?
-4?
-4. So can y equal -4?
Yes.
Can it be greater than -4?
Yes.
Right? It can be up here. Can it be less than -4?
No.
Okay, so the range is, we'll go ahead and write it here. Values greater than or negative or equal to -4 are in the range. That's the range of y, or we could also say that's the range of f of x. Values less than -4 are not in the range. Make sense?
Yes.
Great.